Good morning, class. Welcome to day 5 of your Still Life unit. Before I begin going over your daily task list, I just want to discuss the critiques from yesterday. If you did not complete a student critique of another peer's artwork, please do so. That was supposed to be completed yesterday. It is out of 12 points, and I would hate to have anyone have an incomplete for that assignment and have those points pull their grade down. So please make sure you go back to yesterday's assignments and do that critique if you have not already. With that said, today's a pretty easy day. Our learning goal is just to continue creating a balanced composition that demonstrates movement. So you are basically designing your still life in a way that fills the entire paper, and each object kind of directs the viewer's eye to another object, which is what creates movement itself. Your central question is, how do artists create work that is pleasing and demands the viewer's attention? In this unit, we've talked about the importance of filling space. The importance of having a variety of objects is key, having a bunch of different things going on. The color that's applied, or the value, the light and shadow, all those things can help make an artwork pleasing and demand our attention. So your task list for today is just to do your entrance ticket and to continue work on your project. Your entrance ticket questions are: what is scale? And why is the scale of objects important in a still life drawing? Why do we bother focusing on the size relationships between different objects? So please refer to the Day 1 PowerPoint with help with both of these questions. And lastly, just continue working on your final project and submit a photo of your progress today. Your completion goal today should be to you should already be finished adding the line details of all your objects, and you should begin adding value to some other objects. If you haven't started adding value already, it's okay, but please try to make sure you put some extra time in between today and your final class period, because this is due next class period at the end of class. Make sure your entire project is in full value. Every object shows a light source where the light is hitting it, where it's the lightest tone, and then where it's getting darker, where the shadow is being cast. So make sure you're building on those values today and tomorrow. So with that said, that is your task list for today. Just do your entrance ticket and continue building on those projects. You guys are doing a great job. Just keep adding to it. Don't throw the hat in early. Just keep building on it, and you'll be really surprised at the level of detail that you add with the time and effort that you keep adding to this. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing your work for today, and please let me know if you have any questions. Bye, everyone.